I got so many comments on this video I uploaded showing you how I earned $464 shopping and spending no time, requesting that I should record a part 2 and upload for you guys. So that's what I'm going to be doing basically in today's video. Going to be revealing some updates that you all need to know before you continue, because there are a lot of you that are still joining us and you are still confused. So there are so many things you need to know. At the same time, I'll be adding the withdrawal video, how to withdraw from this platform. I'm going to show you how I withdraw with withdrawal proofs, because a lot of you are not yet convinced. Okay, some of you or a lot of you need proofs to believe, because some of you would be like, is this true? Is this platform really paying? So I'm going to be including all that in today's video, so make sure to stay tuned till the end of this video. And like I always say, make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end. Do not skip any parts at all. And if you're new, you're just coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, please take the first link in the description or comment section of this video to watch the first video I uploaded to get to know more about the platform I am talking about. And yes, we have a lot of newbies who joined us lately. I just want to say I appreciate every one of you for engaging with my channel. You guys are too much. We are almost at 3,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you all for your consistency. Thank you all for sharing my videos. Love you guys. So let's not say too much, okay? Let's get started with the video info. So I'm not going to be mentioning the name of the platform. If you join the groups that I opened and I dropped the link in the previous video, you would have known the platform by now. That's for those who already know about the platform. So if you still want to know about the platform, I will drop the links to the group link. You can join after you're done with this video. Okay, so the platform has been, there's so many things that happened. I was able to group you guys into different batches. In fact, it was not easy at all, but I was able to successfully carry that out. Okay, and I was able to send videos to the group showing you how to register and everything you needed to know. But something happened. Okay, you know how most of these updates used to be. So guys, I want to correct some things. Okay, I'll be doing a lot of corrections, but not in this video. I'll be doing some minor corrections in this video. Why the major corrections, which like I do say, are not the things that I'm supposed to bring up on YouTube, I'll be dropping them in our Telegram group, the main group that has everything in details. So we all know that this particular platform in question is a United States platform. So you are required to register if you're based in the US. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, if you still want to know how you're going to get registered on this platform, just join the group. Everything there will be shown to you. So many of you have been asking this question: Jessica, is it only the $8 we are going to get from this platform and withdraw? Are there other ways we can get a lot of money from this platform? You know, a lot of you want massive cash out. Who doesn't want to make money? You know, right? So let me answer that question. You can get a lot of money from this platform, or you can get constant money from this platform when you refer your friends. Okay, like your friend needs a particular referral link from you to join before they can get the free $8. So you yourself needs to register with the referral link that I'll be giving to you, so you can get your $8. I know $8 may not be enough for you, although it's a free update. Okay, so once you've gotten your $8, you can decide to withdraw it. All right, once you withdraw, you can then decide to refer your friends. So referring your friends to these platforms gives you the opportunity to earn a lot of money. So imagine you refer 10 friends. Okay, well, if you refer 10 friends, that is 8 times 10, that is $80 for referring just 10 friends to join this platform. So many of you don't like platforms that has to do with, you know, referrals, to refer my friends to come. For you, you are like, who do I want to refer? Who do I want to refer? I don't have anybody to refer. Of course, you have people you can refer. You have your family members. You have your friends out there. You have your friends on social media. All you have to do is to tell them that there's this new platform that pays you to shop, and I spent nothing shopping and I was able to get my own free $8. They would definitely want to join this platform because they are going to benefit from that platform, won't they? So all you have to do is to just know how you're going to con your advertisements. Okay, let them know how the platform works. You can walk them through, and it's as easy as that. They will join you through your link. Tell them it's mandatory for them to join through your link, and once they join, they register, they complete the whole process, they get their $8. You get your $8. So imagine you refer 20 friends. Do you know how much that is? So it's not a big deal. Even if you refer just 5 friends, 8 times 5, that is $40 out of nowhere in how many days, in how many hours. So guys, I would like you to take this seriously. If you want to earn more from the platform, you would have to refer your friends. Okay, since that is like what is happening now on the platform, is like a referral promo time. Do you get? So make sure you refer your friends to join this platform to get their own free $8, and you can benefit from this as well. The second way for you to earn from this platform, I wouldn't be revealing it in today's video. I'll be revealing this in our Telegram group. So make sure you join our Telegram group. Are you following? If you're following up to this moment, please smash the like button right now. Smash the like button, is very important. For me to know that you're following, drop in the comment section right now. We are with you, Jessica, so we can continue with the video. So guys, I don't want to make this video too long. Let's head to my phone screen where I'll be showing you how to withdraw your funds from this platform and stating important things you need to know before you withdraw from this platform. I'll be talking about what you need to know before your money becomes available for you to withdraw. Secondly, how to withdraw and important things you need to fill up first before you you know withdraw your from the platform, how many days it's going to take for you to withdraw from the platform, and then the withdrawal channel to withdraw from this platform.
All right, guys. So I'm on the app right now. Okay, so this is how it looks in the dashboard. And the next thing we're going to do now is to fill in our profile. I remember in the previous video, I don't think I mentioned anything about filling your profile there. So let's head to where we have our account here. You can see where we have our account, the interface below. We'll click on accounts and then look for where you have my profile. This is very essential for you to fill in even after registration, before you can place order on the app, and before um carry out any withdrawal from this platform. So let's click on where we have my profile. I believe you can see my profile here. So I'll click on my profile and voila. Okay, this is what we have here. It says please enter your first name, the name you use in registering this account and registering on this account. You click in your first name, your last name, which is your surname. Specify if your gender is that of a female or a male. Then you put in your birthday. Okay, I hope you understand. So after you put in your birthday, you put in your phone number here. You see that the country code is already here. They give the option to put other country codes number. Okay, but you're in the US, so you'll be putting a United States account, a United States phone number here for those that are based in the US. So you click on here, you fill in your phone number, and you click on save. Immediately you do that, it's going to tell you that it has been successfully done. Okay, process succeeded. Okay, so that's just basically how to complete your profile or to fill in your profile. So once that has been done, you can then decide to carry out your withdrawal. But before you carry out your withdrawal, there's one important thing you need to do. Okay, let's head to where we have our cash grab rewards. Okay, we click on cash grab rewards here. My rewards, you click on my rewards. Okay, so this is the history, okay, of the amount you've earned so far from the platform and the friends you've invited. Okay, so when you get your $8, you see that there's nothing like withdrawal here. Okay, there's something you need to know. Okay, when you click where it says claim rewards to wallet, let's click on claim rewards to wallet. You can see here that it says my account balance is $16 here. Available to withdraw is $8. Previously withdrawn $0. Rewards holding amount is $8. So as it stands now on this account, I have $16 total balance. Okay, and then the amount available for me to withdraw now is $8. Why am I not able to withdraw the second $8? Why is it not available to me? This is because anytime you get any money into this platform, or let's say through your referrals, okay, anyone you refer, the referral bonus and the money you got from registering with my referral link, your money has to stay in the account for a day, not just any day, not weekends inclusive, just business days, working days. So your money has to stay one business day until you can be able to withdraw. So that's why you see that I have this $8 available to withdraw, while the second $8 is not available to withdraw. Okay, how do you see how many hours or how many minutes is left for your money to come to where it says available to withdraw? You see where it says one business day until withdraw, look at the question mark beside it, click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, it shows, you can see here it says withdraw your rewards within one business day. Every time your friends successfully place their order, okay, that's when you can withdraw your rewards after one business day, not just the the reward you gained from um not just the reward you're going to get from referring your friends, but the reward you got yourself for using my referral link to register on this platform. Okay, so everything has to wait one business day on this account before you can then claim it to your wallet. You claiming it to your wallet gives you the opportunity to withdraw it. Okay, so when you withdraw it to your wallet, you'll be able to then withdraw it into your PayPal account. So you will have to wait a day. So until your money shows in this place where it says available to withdraw, that is the only time you can be able to withdraw that money out from the platform. Are you with me? I hope that is clear, that I hope you understand. So your money has to show where it says available to withdraw before you can then withdraw. So that's it. I can even click on save to wallet now, so I can be able to withdraw this one that I have here. I can be able to withdraw the $8 I have here. Click on save to my wallet. So are you seeing what it's saying? So that is it, guys. You can see that it is available for you to withdraw. So then they're trying to tell me that this is the money I got for referring this particular person. And now, do I want to withdraw $4 plus? They will give me dressing plus. That's like the VIP aspect of this app. They will give me the um do I want to withdraw $4 or they would do I want to withdraw $4 plus the VIP subscription of this platform? Okay, so and here it says, do I want to withdraw $8 plus 5% discount of the VIP subscription? So I'll be going for the second one. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on confirm first. Okay, you can decide to go for the first one. They will give you the VIP package, but is if you need that. All right, so for me, I'll be going for the second one, which says $8 plus 5% discount. So if I want to subscribe to their their VIP, or they call it plus, on this account, so you click save to my wallet. If you've chosen the one you want, then you confirm, then you click on save to my wallet. So when you click save to my wallet, it says process success. So your money has been saved to your wallet. Okay, so for how do you now want to get this money that is you've saved to your wallet? Because I told you that you have to first of all save it to your wallet before you can finally then withdraw it into your PayPal account. So how do you want to, where will you see this money you have successfully saved to your wallet from this platform for you to withdraw?
Well done. Well done. You're watching this video, you're enjoying this video up to this moment. You've not even smashed the like button, you've not hit the subscribe button and turned the little bell icon. Why? It's not fair. Hit the like button right now, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon. So whenever I upload videos on YouTube, you'll be the first to get that notification sound and you will head up onto YouTube and watch my videos. Don't you like my content? So hit that subscribe button right.
Let's go back to where we have a dashboard. Okay, so you can see my wallet. Are you seeing where it says my wallet here? You click on my wallet. Okay, click on my wallet. I can see that it shows the amount here, withdrawal $8. You got it from referral rewards, and then you can withdraw this. Okay, you can withdraw. That's why I say available to withdraw is here. And you click on withdraw. Okay, this is refund withdrawal. That's if you want to withdraw, you want a refund, and then it has graded that you need to withdraw it. But here we want to withdraw reward withdrawal. So we click on withdraw reward withdrawal here. I think that you have the $8 available to withdraw here. So now you click on withdraw. So as you can see here now, they've shown you the withdrawal amount. They've shown you the way you can withdraw the channel in which you use to withdraw the money from the platform. You can use PayPal, you can use bank accounts. All right, if you have a US bank account, you can just click it there and then you withdraw through it, or your PayPal account. So now this space here that we have here is for you to fill in your PayPal account. Okay, so the email I used on, okay, this is my PayPal account. Let's assume this is my PayPal account. Are you with me? So I'll just put it in here and I'll click send. They will send a verification code to my email. That is the email I used in registering on this platform, not the email you use for the paper. Okay, I hope that is clear. Not the email you use in that you imputed now to use in withdrawing your money. Okay, the email that you used in registering the account, they will send the code to it. It might not come immediately. Okay, so you don't start being confused. The email code might not come, it might come after 5 minutes. All right, so you just have to patiently wait for them to send the code. Sometimes it might come immediately, so you patiently wait for them to send the code, and once they have successfully sent the code, you will then click on confirm application below. Yeah, I'm not withdrawing yet. That is why I've not what's it called, done that. I might just put a short video afterwards to show you how to go about it, how I withdrew the one I had on my other main account. This is just like a demo account. Okay, so when you click on confirm application, you see that it has been successful. Your withdrawal is successful. Okay, that's just basically how to withdraw from this platform. And I think your payments will come after 3 business days. So let's say today is Wednesday. Now if I decide to withdraw today, I think my payments will come on Friday. We have one person who withdrew on Monday and our payments came in this morning. Okay, so that's it. So if you withdraw today now, that's why I'm putting up this withdrawal video now. Was you withdraw the money you've gotten from the platform today, you'll be getting it on Friday. So that's basically how to withdraw from the platform. I think it should then be shown in red here to show that you have finally withdrawn, or it might disappear from here. Then you will see it the way you see. I think here, you see it here that it's going to, instead of going to show in red, meaning that the money has been deducted. So guys, that's basically how to withdraw. I believe I've been able to address everything in full.
So that wraps up today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any question at all for me, please do not fail to drop it in the comment section. And if you're part of my membership, you see that little join button right down there. If you click on it, you can subscribe to my membership. Okay, this is just to say thank you, and this is to like stand out on my channel. Anytime you drop a comment on this channel, you'll be the first I'll respond to. Yes, that is how it is. So if you know you like that preferential treatment, head on now to the join button, click on the join button, and then subscribe to my membership package. We also have the thanks, the super thanks option down there, guys. Just engage with it and enjoy yourself, and you're gonna truly enjoy the benefits that comes with you being part of my membership club on YouTube and also the Super Thanks Club. Alright, let's get to earning. I hope you've joined the group right now. Join now, and every other thing that I've not added to this video will be addressed in our Telegram. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thanks for watching.